Hello everyone, this is Yamini Seni and we were doing class 9 subject English Movements book lesson number 3 Ishwar and the Storyteller. So we had done with the first page, second page of this chapter and we had done with the third page also, fourth as well, and we have to start with the sixth page of this chapter and from the second paragraph, that is he had. So he had always liked to admire the milk white landscape on full moon nights. But after hearing Ishwaran's story of the female ghost, he avoided looking out of his window altogether when the moon was full. So why जो महिंद्रा हैं उनको वो उन्होंने अपना जो वो हमेशा से देखते थे फुल मून नाइट को मून को, तो वो क्यों नहीं देखना पसंद कर रहे थे इस बार? बिकॉज ही गॉट स्केर्ड फ्रॉम ईश्वरन स्टोरी. So one night Mahindra was woken up from his sleep by a low moan close to his window. At first he put it down to a cat prowling around for mice. But the sound was too guttural. What is the meaning of guttural? Guttural का मतलब होता है जो गले की जो आवाज़ है वो, या थ्रॉट साउंड हम कह सकते हैं, वो चीज़. So for a cat, he resisted the curiosity to look out lest he should behold a sight which would stop his hurt. But the wailing became louder and less feline. What is the meaning of wailing? Wailing का मतलब होता है रोना, weeping, और feline का मतलब होता है किस cat के संबंध में, related to something a cat. ओके. सो जैसे जो कैट है वो रोती है ना, तो उस चीज़ को मेंशन किया यहाँ पर. सो ही कुड नॉट रेसिस्ट द टेम्पटेशन एनी more. Lowering himself to the level of window sill, he looked out at the white sheet of moon's light outside. There, not too far away, was a dark, cloudy form clutching a bundle. Mahindra broke into the cold sweat and fell back on the pillow, painting. As he gradually recovered from the ghastly experience, he began to reason with himself and finally concluded that it must have been some sort of auto-suggestion, some trick that his subconscious had played on him. By the time he had got up in the morning, had a bath, and come out to have his breakfast, the horror of the previous night had faded from his memory. तो now अब next morning जो महिंद्रा है वो अपना जो थॉट था घोस्ट वाला वो उसको अभी वो भूल चुके हैं. सो ईश्वरन ग्रीटेड हिम एट द डोर विद हिज लंच पैकेट एंड हिज बैग. तो एज़ यूजुअल ईश्वरन ने उन्हें ग्रीट किया, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड ऑल, एंड उन्होंने उनको जो लंच पैक करके दिया बैग में, जैसे वो हमेशा की तरह करते हैं. जस्ट एज महिंद्रा वॉज स्टेपिंग आउट ऑफ ईश्वरन ग्रिन एंड सेड, सर रिमेंबर द अदर डे व्हेन आई वॉज टेलिंग यू अबाउट द फीमेल घोस्ट विद द फीटस इन इट्स आर्म्स? You were so angry with me for imagining the things. Well, you saw her yourself last night. I came running, hearing the sound of moaning and that was coming from your room. तो उसी बात को जो ईश्वरन है वो वापस रिकॉल करवाते हैं महिंद्रा को कि आप कह रहे थे कि इस तरह के भूत वगैरह नहीं होते, बट कल रात आपने खुद ही देख लिया अपनी आंखों से. मैंने वो जो आवाज़ें आ रही थी आपके रूम से वो मैंने सुनी थी. Achal went down Mahendra's spine. He did not wait for Ishwaran to complete his sentence. He hurried away to his office and handed in his paper, resolving to leave the haunted place the very next day. So what happens is कि spine मतलब backbone, resolve करना मतलब determine करना, haunt करना मतलब भूत या हम कह सकते हैं कि ghostly. ओके. और तो जो महिंद्रा है वो इसका भी वेट नहीं करते हैं कि ईश्वरन अपना सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करें, वो फटाफट से अपने पेपर्स लेते हैं और वो आगे की तरफ मूव फॉरवर्ड कर जाते हैं. So this was the story by the R.K. Lakshman. So what are all were the words which we have gone through? Let us look at the glossary. Enthrall, the state of being in someone's power. डिप्रेडेशन का मतलब होता है कि अटैक विच आर मेड टू डिस्ट्रॉय समथिंग, किसी भी चीज़ को डिस्ट्रॉय करना. यू कैन से इट इज़ अ सिनोनिम ऑफ डिस्ट्रॉय बट इन द मैनर ऑफ अटैकिंग. सो गटरल साउंड, दैट मीन्स साउंड प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द थ्रॉट, दैट इज हार्श साउंड, कठोर साउंड. Feline का मतलब relating to cats or other members of the cat family, which I have just shared with you, right? So these are few questions which we can do. And one thing which I want to tell you, that in the next class we will talk about the writer R.K. Lakshman, like what are all his contribution in English literature and in the field of literature. Then we will do these question answer as well in the next class. Till then, just go through this chapter and read it. If you find anything difficult or any query, you can just write it down in the comment box. Okay.